Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to make your Facebook profile private. First of all, open up the Facebook site in a web browser. Once you get into your Facebook account, click on your profile icon from the top right corner. Then, click on the Settings and Privacy option from here. Now, go into Settings and choose the Privacy option. Scroll down in Privacy and you will find Your Activity block in here. Then from Your Activity, you will see who can see the people, pages, and lists you follow. You will get to see this option in here. To make this private, click on the Edit option beside it and change the privacy. Also, you can edit the privacy and limit your audience for posts. So click to limit past posts, which will make your account more private. And you can also set up the price of your contact people and choose to make them all private to secure your account. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.